In this short video, we will look at how to set up a Teams session for you to record. We will look at briefly how to record, and we will look at how to receive your video. So let's get started. You're going to log into your Outlook account, and then you're going to go to your calendar. So open your Outlook calendar. And it doesn't really matter which date you click on. You just want to click on a date. I'll just click on, let's see. I'll click on this one because it's open. There's nothing else going on. So just double click, open your, you can put in your name. And this doesn't matter either. And then make sure you select Teams meeting and then hit save. And there it is. It should appear on your calendar wherever you put it. So click on that and click join and open. If you don't have Teams downloaded, it'll prompt you to download it right here. Click on Open Microsoft Teams, and then it'll open, and click Join Now. So here we go. So here is our session, and if you want to record yourself, then make sure that first of all, here's your microphone. Make sure it's turned on. Mine is. Right now my camera is turned off, but you want to turn it on. So there I am. And at this point, if you're just going to be doing a discussion or talking to your instructor, you can click here and start recording. It will tell you you're recording, and then you can start talking. Now, if you want to present something as well, like a PowerPoint, you'll want to click on the share button right here. And you can either share your desktop and pull up your PowerPoint on your desktop, or I already have my PowerPoint uploaded here. You can select it here, or you can go to Browse and upload from your computer and find your PowerPoint. You can't upload a Word document. You can only upload a PowerPoint. So there we go. So the PowerPoint will actually upload directly into Teams if you choose that option. And then you can navigate through your PowerPoint here. When you're done, you can click on Stop Presenting. And again, you can also choose, let's click here. You can also choose, if you already have it up on your computer, you can choose it here, and it will automatically record this here, which is what it's doing now. And let's stop that. And then you can also choose just your desktop share and choose your desktop. And then see it, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a red box. And so whatever you have active on your desktop, the first thing, it will record it. So and this whole thing is being recorded by Teams as I speak. Let's stop that. When you're finished with your presentation or your recording, you want to stop the recording, just click here on this set of dots and click on stop recording. Stop recording. It will tell you your recording is being saved. I'm going to click on leave. When your video has finished processing, you'll actually receive, let's close this. Let's close this too. You'll actually find or receive an email. Let's see, I haven't received it yet, but it will give you a direct link to your video, and where your video goes is it goes to your Microsoft Stream account. To access your Stream account, you just click here, and again, you're in your email account. And Stream is one of your apps. If you don't see it here, click on all apps. It will be in your list. So I'm going to right click and open it. And wait for it to load. You're going to click on My Content and then Videos. And here's the recording that I just did. It may still be processing. But in order to share it, what you're going to do is click on this pencil icon. And so right now under permissions, only I can see it. If you want to share it with someone, so for example, Dr. Clark, I think this is his email address. There we go. Share it with your professor there, Dr. Clark. And you can share it with other people as well if you want. Now, if you really don't care who sees it, right now only I can see this video and Dr. Clark can see this video, or both Chris. But you can allow everyone to see it. It's up to you. But just make sure you add the person who you want to be able to see it. And click on apply. And so I've got that. You can see my fat neck there. It looks great. And so click on share. And then here's your link. You can click here. It will copy it. Or you can highlight it and right click and copy. And then you can paste and go. But this will be the link that you would submit to Dr. Clark so he can view the video. I'm going to click that. So that's really how you do it. And if you have any questions, let me know.